People with jobs in the medical field are required in every nation, city, and even the smallest of towns. This could be the location to hunt for a job that will always be in demand, so if that sounds appealing to you, keep watching. There are even positions available in the medical field in which patients are not the primary focus of the profession. There is no limit to the possibilities. Which careers are the most desirable? Today's video is about Best Healthcare Jobs 2022. 10. Healthcare Administrators. Administrators in the medical field are the individuals who are in charge of the overall management of medical institutions. They are responsible for the creation of policies, the coordination of care services, and the oversight of financial matters. Imagine you want to work in the medical field, but you don't want to deal directly with patients. There are still plenty of opportunities available to you. In that scenario, a job in the healthcare industry as an administrator would be an excellent option for you to consider. The annual pay of a healthcare administrator is usually somewhere around $98,350. A master's degree in health administration or a field closely linked to it is often required of aspirants who want to pursue a career in the administration of healthcare facilities. You may, for instance, enroll in an online Master of Business Administration program that focuses on healthcare and then specialize in healthcare administration. On the other hand, a bachelor's degree can be all that's needed for some entry-level jobs. 9. Registered nurses. Registered nurses are responsible for providing direct patient care, educating patients as well as the general public about health concerns, as well as providing patients and their families with guidance and emotional support. R.N.S. have the ability to specialize in a variety of fields, including critical care, pediatrics, cancer, or surgical nursing, among others. You will be able to make a major difference in the patient's overall health if you pursue a career as a registered nurse. At the same time, you might anticipate having a favorable pay and feeling secure in your employment. The average yearly income for registered nurses is $69,790. However, experienced registered nurses might get a significantly higher salary. To become a registered nurse, you must first graduate from a nursing program that has been granted accreditation and then receive a license from the Board of Nursing in your state. 8. Physicians and surgeons. Medical specialists that specialize in diagnosing and treating patients are referred to as physicians and surgeons. In addition to this, they may be involved in research and teaching in medical schools. With a median yearly pay of $208,000, physicians and surgeons are among the highest paid workers in the healthcare industry. This is due to the fact that they perform both diagnostic and surgical procedures. A 4-year undergraduate degree, 4 years of medical school, and anything from a 3 to a 7-year residency are all requirements for becoming a physician or surgeon. In addition to being one of the occupations that are in most demand in the field of medicine, becoming a physician or surgeon is also one of the most satisfying lines of work that one may pursue. 7. Physical therapists. Physical therapists assist patients in reducing their discomfort and increasing their range of motion. They provide patients with treatment plans, therapy, and education on how to prevent injuries and enhance their general health, and they are responsible for developing these programs. P.T.S. are required to receive a Doctor of Physical Therapy degree, which normally takes around 3 years to complete. Physical therapists earn a median yearly pay of $85,400. However, skilled physical therapists can make far more money, with some earning over $100,000 a year. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 6. Dentists. Dentists are trained to detect and treat dental problems, as well as to encourage good oral health. Dentists are required to receive a degree known as a Doctor of Dental Medicine or a Doctor of Dental Surgery, the completion of which normally takes around 4 years. The annual pay of a dentist comes in at $151,440 on average. Dentists with extensive expertise, on the other hand, have the potential to earn far more. Some can make over $250,000 a year. 5. Pharmacists. Patients can get prescriptions from pharmacists, and they can also get advice from pharmacists about how to utilize over-the-counter medicines. They also include information on the possible adverse effects, interactions with other medications, and the correct dosage. The normal educational requirement for pharmacists is to receive a Doctor of Pharmacy degree, which can be completed in a span of 4 years. The annual wage that constitutes the median for pharmacists is $120,270. On the other hand, skilled pharmacists can make far more money, with some reaching over $145,000 annually. 4. Optometrists. Optometrists are primary eye care providers who offer services such as vision testing and the dispensing of corrective eyewear such as eyeglasses and contact lenses. They also identify and treat common eye conditions such as glaucoma and cataracts, amongst other eye ailments. Optometrists are required to receive a degree known as a Doctor of Optometry, which normally takes a total of 4 years to complete. Optometrists make a median yearly pay of $110,300, according to the BLS. On the other hand, experienced optometrists can make significantly more money, with some making more than $200,000 a year. 3. Occupational therapists. They are healthcare professionals who assist patients in recovering from injuries, illnesses, and disabilities using various types of work. They not only help them adjust to their new environment but also instruct them on how to survive on their own. Occupational therapists are required to receive a master's degree in their field, which normally takes between 2 and 3 years to complete. Occupational therapists have a median yearly pay of $84,950. On the other hand, skilled occupational therapists can make substantially more money, with some earning over $100,000 a year. 2. Speech-language pathologists. Speech-language pathologists, sometimes known as SLPs, are medical professionals that diagnose and treat patients suffering from communication and swallowing difficulties. In addition to that, they instruct patients on how to better their eating and speaking habits. Speech-language pathologists are required to have a master's degree in the field, which can take anywhere from 2 to 3 years to accomplish. The average compensation for SLPs is $77,510 per year on average. However, skilled speech-language pathologists can make far more money, with some reaching over $100,000 annually. 1. Anesthesiologists. Anesthesiologists are medical professionals who have chosen to specialize in the administration of anesthesia as well as the management of pain. Patients are given an anesthetic by them prior to surgery, and they continue to be monitored both during and after the procedure. Anesthesiologists are normally required to have a medical degree, which is a course of study that can be finished in a span of 4 years. The average income for anesthesiologists is approximately $208,000 per year. On the other hand, anesthesiologists with greater experience can make significantly more money, with some making over $400,000 annually. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.